to them is dry land. The end of the disaster may be in sight, but the work of cleaning up has only begun. One way of encouraging the Irishmen to plough is to hold a national championship, pipers and all. To add further zest to the proceedings, President de Valera himself and Dr. Ryan, the Minister for Agriculture, put in an appearance and encouraged the farmers to plough straight and true. Irish agriculture is looking up, they say, and markets for Irish crops are expanding. Yes, Irish agriculture is looking up. Trotsky in Mexico is induced to make an exclusive interview concerning the recent